Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing hosts key government and industry leaders at the factory in Nnewi. On the 20th of August 2024, Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing IVM welcomed esteemed visitors, including the Director General of the National Automotive Design and Development Council, NADDC, Mr. Dave Kofi, the CEO, African Association of Automotive Manufacturers, AAAM, and a team from South Africa to its factory located in Nnewi, Nigeria. This visit underscored Innoson's pivotal role in advancing Nigeria's automotive industry, particularly in the adoption of environmentally friendly technologies like compressed natural gas, CNG. In a statement addressing the press, Chief Chukwuma remarked that CNG is the way to go, highlighting its significant economic and environmental advantages.
CNG vehicles is way to go to Nigeria, even to Africa, because CNG cost is lower. People can be able to go to their works. So, federal government giving directives for CNG is the only way that can save our economy. I want everybody to support that idea of CNG. It will help everybody. If Nigeria is good, it's good for everybody.
His vision reflects a strategic shift towards cleaner energy sources that can mitigate the impact of fuel shortages and price fluctuations. Mr. Kofi praised IVM manufacturing capabilities and the effort of IVM in the automotive value chain. We are on a mission to develop the value chain, and I am really impressed by what I see here today, he noted.
And today, 3 to 5 million used vehicles are dumped into Africa. We are the dumping ground for the world today, and we need to change that. So I understand affordable mobility is key. That's why used vehicles are consumed and attractive. But we need to change this. We need to bring in vehicles that are safe, that have lower emissions, and that attract vehicle finance. So we work with the finance sector too, and this is our mission, is consumers must have access to affordable finance. So you can just imagine a new vehicle built in Africa becomes a used vehicle, it's roadworthy, and it attracts vehicle finance. That's a good option to someone paying cash for a vehicle that comes in and there's no warranty afterwards. That's our mission. So we're on a mission to develop the value chains. You know, I'm really impressed with what I see here. I mean, it's my second day. I've been in Nigeria a few times, but it's the first time I've got into the manufacturing capability. I need to understand that, because our members are vehicle manufacturers from the world. They are national assemblers from around Africa, right? And they are also component makers and service providers that offer finance and can develop the ecosystem. So I'm here to understand the capability, and all you lack here is demand. Okay, and therefore we reiterate what we said in May when we met the minister on the 2nd of May, is that the government needs to implement the automotive policy into law. Must have the bill approved, right, and then implemented, and you will see investment come into this country on automotive. And that's what's lacking right now. It'll not only benefit bringing investment in, but it will actually fill up the capacity that you've got. And that's that's the opportunity. We can create hundreds of thousands of jobs. We believe that Nigeria can have a demand, its own demand, for at least 350,000 new vehicles, and developing the ecosystem around it.
Also addressing the press, Mr. Oluwamimo Joseph Osanedopin, Director General of NADDC, stated, "We are here to assess the capability and the components that are being manufactured here in Nigeria to support the manufacturing of vehicles." He elogiized the manufacturing process at Innoson and highlighted partnership with the company towards sustainable growth for the company and the automobile industry at large.
We are here to assess the capability and the components that are being manufactured here in Nigeria to support the manufacturing of vehicles, because we have been talking about how to build and develop the component parts in Nigeria. So we are here to see what Innoson is doing, and then see how can we use component manufacturing in Nigeria to support it, because it's important that we develop the value chain. We have seen the galvanized sheet that is using there. We have seen some iron. We have seen the glass. We have seen the plastic is using for the bumper. All these ones are done as sourced locally, and this is what we want to see. How can we replicate this in some other manufacturing entity we have within the system. So we have seen what Innoson is doing, and we want to partner in order to grow. And again, we've been talking about the capacity. Do we have the capacity here? So we brought our people to assess, can we compare what we have here to what is obtainable out there? And from what they've told me, what we have here is what can be compared favorably to what is obtainable outside the country. So now we want to set a standard and see how and do peer review between us and other economy and what they are doing there. And from what we have seen, Innoson is doing well. Innoson is using the local content. We want to discuss with him on how can we improve it. Because if you get to 70%, you want to go to 80%. And that's what we are doing here. That's the essence of coming here. What can we do together? What can we partner together? And even the bill we are trying to push, if we push it, do we have the capacity to support it? Here we have the capacity. Here we have the expertise. And then we have the material to support the development of a local country.
The factory is designed to manufacture various types of vehicles, including passenger cars, buses, and commercial trucks, all optimized for CNG usage.
To let Nigerians know that these vehicles are made the world standard. And that's why I said we brought people from South Africa, our partners, so that they can review what we are doing and then report back to us. Are we doing it well? So we want Nigerians now to know that what we are doing here is what is obtainable globally. So the vehicle that will come out, the vehicle that Innoson is producing and that is come out of this factory can match any of the vehicle you buy outside this country. So Nigerians, we want them to believe, we want you Nigerians to believe in what is coming out in Nigeria. The standard, the quality, the performance, it measure up with what is obtainable everywhere. So we need to continue to sensitize our people, to sensitize Nigerians that the vehicle we are producing in Nigeria are of international standard and they pass through the normal tests that they require to pass through.
Each vehicle is equipped with advanced technology to ensure efficiency and reliability, making them suitable for urban transportation, logistics, and commercial operations. Given the rising fuel cost, Innoson CNG vehicle presents an attractive option for both private and public sector operators looking to save on transportation costs. With the support of government and industry leaders, IVM aims to play a vital role in the country's shift towards a more sustainable and economically viable transportation system. I am Cheta Omaram, reporting for AnaedoTV. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel at AnaedoTVOfficial and follow us on all media platforms at AnaedoTV. Thanks for staying with us.